One thing I really like in Nomad Sculpt is the tube tool. And what I like about it the most probably is that I can scale up the radius of each of the points individually, like this. You'll see that each of these little tan points, I can move back and forth to make the tube larger or smaller in that specific region. But if you don't know how to do this, I will show you. So I'm just going to validate that one that I just made and make a new one. So let's start from scratch over here. I'm going to go down on the right-hand side and grab the tube tool right there. And then I'm going to decide which kind I want. I don't want a curve, I want a path. So I'm going to select path. And I like the B-spline path because it gives me really smooth tubes. So if I just start drawing, I can create one tube, and then to give the tube thickness, I hit this green button here. There we go. Hit it a couple times. Okay, and now I can put my tube into place. I can use the tan button that exists right here to make it a little thicker so that I can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna put it into her scalp. Okay, so now that it's in her scalp, and into, oh, it's really not. There we go, much better. Okay, so now I've got it almost into place, but I want each point to have its own unique thickness. So in order to get that, like I showed you before, you need to go up to this top menu. Notice I haven't validated this yet. That's very important. If we want to make a change, we can still make it. So I'm going to go to the radius button and tap it once, and you'll see that now there are 2 tan points on either end. That is one way to change it. I can now change it end by end, but I like to change all of them. So I tap that radius button one more time, and now I have access to every single point's individual radius. So I can kind of scale up, scale down. I like to scale it down when it hits the scalp and when it goes into the ponytail. And I can always add an extra point if I want, which does come in handy. So as you can see, I've got the radius kind of decreasing here. I can scale it up right there, pull things into place. Not bad. Maybe move it over. Whoops, too much. Just tap your screen with 2 fingers to undo. And that's pretty good. So now I can validate it. If I hit validate, it will lock in the changes that I made. And now I have one more piece of hair on her head, and I can start the process all over for another piece. That is basically it. I've got a whole playlist on Nomad, including more to see on the tube tool. So I really appreciate you watching, and please join me for more videos. Thank you so much.